Someone once said, "Home is where the heart is." At James Hardie, we can honestly say it's never been anywhere else. To us, a home is not just a place to lay our head at night, it's where we dream. At James Hardie, we relentlessly search for smarter ideas. We are driven to be the best, driven to protect the dream we started over 30 years ago. And we do this through innovation, through commitment, through believing in sustainability. You can see it on over 5.5 million homes, the kind of homes that can stand up against time, wind and rain, heat and snow. Homes that stand out for their beauty and design and protect the place we all call home. James Hardie, a better way to build.